Probably one of my favorite props ever. I can't do grunts like you, Jackman. Hey everyone, it's Ivan, aka Customs, and today I'm going to showcase how I created these awesome Wolverine bone claws on a super cheap DIY budget. Stay tuned. Alright, so time to unlock that inner Weapon X inside you. The ingredients are going to be armature wire or any type of thin, strong wire. Foil, of course, you could probably find it in your kitchen. Some kitchen skewers, barbecue skewers, and of course masking tape. Finally, some acrylic paints. Alright, I know what you're thinking. When the hell did he start building this? He didn't even bother to show us. I got you guys covered. Here's basically what the claw is going to look like before we seal and paint it. As you can see, it's looking not too shabby. We're going to grab our barbecue skewer, lay it on a piece of aluminum foil, tin foil with some hot glue, and wrap the foil around. This is going to build the overall bulk and shape of a bone claw. Use hot glue to secure the barbecue skewer, but also to bend it and it will hold the shape so it looks a little bit more natural, like a bone claw. Add some aluminum foil around one of the ends of the skewer, round it and flatten it a bit. This is going to act as one of the ends on the Wolverine claws that go past your knuckles like so. Expanding upon that additional aluminum foil, we're going to go ahead and add these little bit of bumps and some different textures throughout the bone claw itself. When you think of a bone, it's not something that's perfectly straight. It has some irregularities to it. That's not a word. Some protrusions to it. So go ahead and add those like so. Next, we're going to grab some of that strong wire and create this shape like so. This is going to act as both a stopper and also a placement for your Wolverine claws. This also helps guide the claw itself to the handle grip. Get your wire, bend it like so, tape it, glue it on, and start to fiddle and mess around and see how the placement looks on your hand. Now onto the grip. I originally had this a little bit more complicated, but if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So went ahead and grabbed some aluminum foil, once again a big sheet, crumble it, and keep working it around your hand, forming your fist around the grip piece of the foil. Once you're comfortable with how the grip feels, go ahead and throw the claws on, then the grip on top of it, and wrap the extra wire from the claws around the grip. This is going to lock everything in together. Once you're happy with the fit and the placement, go ahead and glue and tape everything together. Speaking about tape, we're going to use that to lock all of our pieces on the claw together. That's going to help smooth everything out, but also lock in those extra bumps that we added over the claw, so everything's nice, one uniform piece. Now to take this prop from 0 to 100, went ahead and added a base coat of brown acrylic paint, mixed up some off-whitish bone color, and dry brush it on. You could dry brush many different variants of yellows and off-whites to get your desired bone look. This is where the magic happens, and you have yourself some Wolverine bone claws. And there we have it, a super pretty DIY friendly with tons of different customization options, and hopefully doesn't break the bank, super cheap, pretty affordable, pretty doable. So incredibly happy with how these Wolverine bone claws turned out. I love the shape of them, I love the look of them. If you guys have any inquiries or questions on how to create these Wolverine bone claws, please leave them in the comments down below. If you also have any suggestions on how to improve upon this build or make things a little bit simpler for you, please drop them in the comments down below. Thank you all so much for the amazing support that you guys have been leaving me. We have reached 3,000 subscribers, which is insane. I love the whole cosplay and prop making community. I'm so fortunate to have a job in this prop fabrication world. So thank you all so much for slowly making my dreams come true. Just working on these big budget films and creating props and costumes for this stuff. Thank you all again.